Hi, and welcome to this practical introduction to data visualization in R. This short video tutorial introduces histograms, a graphical representation of the distribution of numerical data. We'll explore how to create histograms using both base R and ggplot2 and compare their unique capabilities along the way.
We will be working with the same dataset that we worked with in the previous tutorial. Just to remind you, it's a grocery dataset from Kaggle that has 1,757 observations and 8 variables, including subcategories, price, rating, and product description. Let's continue exploring the price of the grocery items by looking at the summary statistics. The minimum price per item is $3.99, and the maximum price is almost $2,000. Although we do have the values of the first and third quartiles, it's a good idea to visualize the distribution of the data to gain a better understanding of the spread and shape of the price variable. To do this, let's make a histogram of price. A histogram is a graphical representation of the distribution of numerical data, where data values are grouped into bins or intervals, and the height of each bar represents the frequency of data values within that bin. Both base R and ggplot2 offer ways to create histograms. To create histograms in base R, we use the hist function, passing the variable of interest as an argument, like so. The function automatically bins the data and plots the frequency distribution. As you can see, base R histograms are quite simple to create. They can be customized to some extent by adjusting parameters such as the number of bins and color and adding titles. However, they do lack the aesthetic appeal and customization options offered by ggplot2. ggplot2 provides a more flexible and powerful approach to creating histograms. This is not to say that you can't create histograms in base R, but ggplot2 offers a more intuitive framework for constructing and customizing visualizations. With ggplot2, you have finer control over the appearance and layout of visualizations, and you also have the ability to easily combine it with other types of plots or incorporate additional layers for enhanced data experience. When using ggplot2, you start by initializing a plot with a ggplot and then add layers of graphical elements using various geom functions. This is the default plot that can be extensively customized using a wide range of aesthetic options. For example, you can customize the appearance of the histogram by adjusting parameters such as bin width to control the width of the bins, fill to change the color of the bars, and color to modify the border color of the bars. You can customize the plot's labels, titles, and axes to improve readability and interpretation. Additionally, you can add layers to the plot to include elements such as a density curve or a rug plot to provide more information about the data. These small vertical lines along the x-axis are known as the rug plot. They indicate the distribution of individual data points. ggplot2 also allows for more sophisticated visualizations, including faceted diagrams that we will explore in the upcoming tutorials. So with ggplot2, the possibilities for customization are virtually endless, allowing you to create visually appealing and informative histograms tailored to your specific needs and preferences. When comparing ggplot2 with base R for creating histograms, it's evident that both have their strengths and weaknesses. Base R histograms provide a straightforward and quick method for visualizing data, making them suitable for simple exploratory analysis. However, they lack the advanced customization options and aesthetic appeal offered by ggplot2.
If you prioritize flexibility and want to create polished and visually appealing graphs, ggplot2 may be the preferred option. Conversely, if you value simplicity and need to generate basic histograms quickly, base R will be the right choice for your needs. Ultimately, the choice between the two depends on your specific requirements and the level of customization you need. Thanks for watching, and happy coding with R.